I didn't have any routine like that. With Cureskin, it's better because they gave us specific routine like what to apply during the day, what to apply during the night. With I didn't get that. You can even talk to the doctor through the phone directly. I had a like good skin before, but then because of the sun exposure and so on, I started getting kind of freckles and pigmentation all these areas. Actually, my elder sister, after her giving birth to my niece, she has lots of this pigmentation, or they call it like pimple type, all over her forehead. And then when I came back home, I saw her face was already clear. So I asked her, what have been you using? That's how like I came to know this about Cureskin through my elder sister. I've been using it for like 1 year now. During the first month, initially I didn't see much results, and it started helping me after, like slowly, not directly but slowly, because I think the dark spots that I have, it's quite deep. When I see others, they have like clear skin, but then when I see myself in the mirror, I feel like, oh, everywhere spots here, all dark everywhere. And then I got comments from others also, see, you have a clear skin before and now you see all these scars here, marks here. Then like it was kind of like my self-confidence has gone down because of that. Now it's quite clear. It has improved a lot because of Cureskin.